Hey everyone, once again my washer and dryer is going, so it may be a little loud. Just ignore it. I want you to find the box that says Tuesday. Okay? You can go ahead and write your name here if you want to. Name. That would be awesome, just so I know I have your name on the paper. Find Tuesday and let's get started. So, number 1. What does the word underhanded mean in the sentence below? She didn't want to get caught, so she used underhanded methods to find the buried treasure. Okay, I want you to look at the first part of the sentence. It says, she didn't want to get caught. Use your background knowledge. If you're ever doing something where you don't want to get caught, that means you're doing something bad, right? You would want to get caught if you're doing something good, so you're obviously doing something bad here, or at least she is. So use your background knowledge. If you ever have a time where you don't want to get caught, like for example, today's Saturday, Friday, when I got home from work, Kinley and I came in the house, and she went straight to her room and closed the door. And that never happens. She never closes her door. So I walked in and I said, "What are you doing?" She goes, "Nothing." And she was digging in her toy box. And I said, "What are you doing?" She said, "Nothing." So I walk over. She had taken all of her markers that we usually keep put away for good reason, or the whole room would be colored, and she had stuck them in the bottom of her toy box. She was making underhanded methods. She was taking underhanded methods to go and hide the markers and then go get the markers. So when we think about underhanded in this sense, are we thinking about harsh? No, harsh is mean if I'm rude or mean or terrible to you. Organized? Well, no, she wasn't organized when she did it, that's for sure. They were in the bottom of her toy box. Sneaky. Sneaky is the best answer. Okay, if you ever do something underhandedly, that means you're trying to sneak something by someone. Okay? Read this dictionary entry. Compound. It's a noun. This little N right here means noun. Number 1. A word formed by 2 words. 2. A group of buildings. 3. A substance made by mixing chemicals. 4. An adhesive substance stronger than glue. How is compound used in sentences 2 and 3? Number 2. Bedroom is an example of a compound word. Okay, let's look at our dictionary definitions. Okay, I want you to look at this dictionary definition and answer number 2 on your own. I will pause here. Okay, look at number 3. I lived in a large compound with many other families. Reread the definition. Okay, this is a multiple meaning word. Figure out what definition fits. Okay, you're going to have to use some background knowledge, and you're going to have to take these dictionary definitions and put them in place of the word. So like, let's say I lived in a word formed by 2 words with many other families. I took this definition and I placed it there to see if it made sense. Did it make sense? No. I can mark that out. I lived in a group of buildings with many other families. Okay. I'm going to pause the video here and let you answer this question. Okay, once you've answered these questions, I want you to write your score here, 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 here. I don't care. Just write it big and circle it so I can see your score. And I want you to go and put this paper back into the tray, sit down at your desk, and wait for instructions.